A huge statement being made by the FEU Tamaraos as they have completely dominated the defending champions in 2 straight sets.
FEU, again, doing what they did in the first set. They controlled the pace. Alam mo, kitang-kita mo that hindi man lang sila nararattle, ano? Although they had some errors to begin this set and UST made that mid-set run, they didn't get rattled. Nakita mo, they were just steady with their play. But Labrador bailed them out more than 4 or 5 times in this set. Whenever they needed a point, whenever they needed to score, they go to this guy, Labrador. Also, Avila putting in some numbers because Biliran hasn't really gotten his game going. Alam naman natin, Biliran scored heavily in that match against Lasal, but right now, Avila and Petrus.
Yeah.
How can you miss that excellent play that he made to give Labrador a huge opening with that fake? Petrus de Ocampo showing the experience, showing his leadership in making sure that all his spikers are looking good in that second set. FEU 15 attacks, 12 for UST, 3 blocks for FEU. Again, yung nakaka-control ng blocking department, yun ang nananalo ng set. 7 unforced errors and 6 for UST. So this is a huge hole that UST has put themselves into, or dug themselves into.
Much better attacking game for UST in set number 2 as you saw in the stats, pero much lesser naman yung unforced errors ng FEU, kaya medyo...
Yes, that's right. That's
cushion
right.
pa rin sila all the time, ano?
That's right, and hindi sila bumitaw after that very strong push of UST going to that midway portion, and that error of Depante.
Yeah, very
that was a
crucial,
momentum breaker.
21-20 yun eh. UST with a serve going for a tie.
Sayang.
Another poor reception by UST to start off set number 3. Great save, but this is going to be a tough return. Sayang. Andun sana, but Doloiras medyo napalakas.
That was the only angle he had.
He had no other choice.
Napalakas lang. But he picked it up. He was there. Outside.
Medyo napalakas. Si Petrus de Ocampo serve. FEU 1 set away from taking game number 1 of this best of 3 away from the defending champions. Magandang hapon sa mga tigapanood natin on Studio 23. UST gunning for their 5th straight championship for season 74 or in season 74, but in their way, their 3rd time nemesis, FEU, twice FEU in the last 2 years, relegated to first runner-up, pero this season, the Tamaraos are looking good. Led by that guy, Rodolfo Labrador Jr. 3-1. Again, off to a good start are the Tamaraos. And the reception errors just keep piling up for UST. One of the main reasons why they can't seem to get a set going. As for the first time in this match, you see a miscommunication between Petrus de Ocampo, the best setter in season 74, and one of their attackers. 2 went to the net, and both didn't know who was going to get it. So another unforced error and a point para sa Uste. Labrador, the quick. It's one of the toughest things to deal with para sa depensa ng UST. That quick middle hit involving Labrador. He's just too strong, too tall, too athletic, and too quick to really get a good timing on. Hindi mo masabayan, hindi mo makuha yung timing when he goes up that fast. Romnick is partially blocked. Cross court. And a point coming from De La Calzada.
FEU now with an early lead. 5-2.
It's starting off pretty much the way it
Yeah.
did in set number 2, ano? Question is, can UST, turn things around? Not when you're not even receiving the ball. Butas na butas yung likod.
Avila scoring from the service box.
And Coach Lontok will talk to the boys. Let's listen in.
Huwag kayong mag-over ng ganaw lang kasi yung ginagawa mo ito. Play one sa si Ker. Play one. Ayan ha, diyan ka. Dito nang gagaling ang quicker mo. Pag ganon, papatong doon. Hindi pwede yan. Dapat yung play mo pag ganon siya. Eh akala nito, babaksakan niya yung shot. Ha? Wow, layo pa niyan eh. Ayun lumaban. Pabukayin mo na, Ker. Pabukayin mo na. Pabukayin mo yung laro. Good.
Well, Kerr Ukang struggling today, but it's not just him. If you're USD, your service reception has been almost non-existent.
That's right.
In set number 2 and to start off set number 3. So it's really an overall team effort para sa USD if they are to come back here today.
And USD not able to penetrate that strong FEU block. And the body language of USC is like saying that they really, can't find any solution.
Exactly. One-handed set para kay Ramos coming from Ukang.
Uy!
Ooh! And one of those rare errors. De La Calzada taking matters into his own hands.
si Coach George Pasco napatay ko. Ano yun? Biglang napatay.
Wala yung play.
Ooh!
That's how you do it, says Petros de Ocampo. That's how you get the point. De La Calzada, next time, leave the second touch to me. 8-3. Kalamangan ng FEU here in set number 3.